Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to make a group chat on Facebook Messenger. So let's get started. First, open up your Facebook Messenger app, then click on the pencil icon on top right side corner. Then you have to click on the create a new group. Okay, then select the members you want to select for your group. Okay, I'm selecting 1 and 2 of them, and then you have to click on this next option here, then name the group. Okay, then click on the create button. As you can see, the group has been created. You can simply type anything or any messages. If you click on the right side corner here in this icon, you will see many options will appear. If you want to add another person to the group chat, you can just add from here and search. You can also search the name or select if there is any. Then also you can see who is the member of this group chat. Like here we are 3 in this group chat, and who is the admin? This is me. You can also add another person admin from here. And also, if you want to block someone from the group chat, you can simply block a member and click on them and block. Or so that's it for today, guys. If this video helps you, please make sure to like, share and subscribe.